Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making a cool cucumber soup. To make our cucumber soup, I'm going to start by grating one English cucumber. You can seed it and peel it if you'd like. Trim the ends, cut it in half, and grate it on my box grater. I have a small bit of dill, and I'm just going to run my knife through it. I have a few fresh mint leaves. I'm going to pile them up, roll them up together tightly, and make little ribbons. I have a medium bowl, and in it I have 16 ounces of low-fat Greek yogurt. And to it I'm going to add our grated cucumber. Just going to mix this all together. To this I'm going to stir in about a quarter cup of milk, just to thin it a little. To this, a good squeeze of lime juice, pinch of that fresh mint, nice pinch of that fresh dill, tablespoon of olive oil. And get this all stirred together. Cover this with some plastic wrap, and I'll refrigerate it. Then we'll taste it, re-season, and serve it up nice and cold. I've taken our cucumber soup out of the refrigerator, and it's still a little thick. I'm going to take a little bit of milk and just stir it in a little at a time until I've gotten a slightly thinner consistency. Let's give it a taste. All that cucumber taste and the creaminess of the yogurt, so nice, and that dill and that mint pops out delicious. And there you have it. So that's how you make cucumber soup. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.